Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to update your MIUI version 9.6.5.0 to 10.0.2.0. Before update your MIUI, you must have enough charge on your phone, minimum 50% plus, and you need to download your MIUI update file. So before install or update, we check our recent MIUI version. It's 9.6.5.0 stable global, and the device is Redmi 5 Plus 464. So before install, you must download the MIUI update file. For download, please check the download link description below. We already add the download link in our description. So now turn on Wi-Fi connection. We already download the file. Now we install the update from our phone storage. Now tap settings, tap about option, now tap system update option, now tap three dot from top of screen in the right side, now tap choose update package option, now select or tap file manager option. Now open your update folder location or go your update folder location and select your update file and tap OK. Now here you see your file is descripting. You must remember that you need a stable Wi-Fi connection or data connection to install your update, and make sure you have enough charge on your phone. Now tap reboot and update option. So we go our another phone screen. So we tap reboot and update option. Now our phone is reboot. For install our update, here you see a message updating MIUI, don't reboot the device. So don't reboot the device until your update install. After install update, your phone reboot automatically. Now wait some moment, update already installed. After install and reboot your phone, your lock screen pop up. Now unlock your phone. Now we go to our main screen. So here you see MIUI updated successfully. Now tap settings, tap about phone option. Here you see Android version 8.1.0 OPM1, MIUI 10.0.2.0 global stable. So finally we install our MIUI 10 update. You can update your phone automatically when next update is available. We can see lots of change here. For face unlock, go to your lock screen and password. If you can't see any face unlock option or face data, just go to your additional setting option and click or tap region option. Now select India, and now again go to your lock screen and password option. Here you see the face unlock add data option available. So if you want to use face unlock option, you must set your country or region to India. So that's the way to install your update MIUI 10.0.2.0 manually. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share our video. Thank you.